Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to go ahead and get a void check from Chase app. It's really easy and simple. So all you need to do is you need to first log in to your Chase account, right? Just open up your mobile Chase app, log in with your username and password. You can just tap onto the mobile app icon, open it up, go ahead and log in. And then you need to find your check-in account. So after you log in, tap on the Accounts tab or Accounts Overview. And then what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and choose a check-in account for which you need the voided check. And once your account page opens, right, look for the direct deposit form or get the account and routing numbers. Okay, click on that option, and then you just need to go ahead and access and download the direct deposit form. And you just tap on the direct deposit form option. You'll be provided with your account number and routing number as well as digital equivalent of a voided check. Just download the form by tapping a download or email to me and just send it to your inbox. Okay? And then you can go ahead and print or share the form. Basically, once you've downloaded or emailed the form, you can print the form if a hard copy is required, or you can email it directly to your employer or financial institution. And you can also go ahead and upload it online if you're submitting it electronically for a direct deposit. And if you want, you can also request it at a Chase bank if that is an option, right? It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.